You never, ever, ever want to make it out as if you need the client or that you need the customer and without them, your business doesn't run, because actually that's where you will mess up in sales. Remember, you're providing value, you are giving a product which is of need to that person, and you are giving a service which is of need to that person. As long as you are coming across as if it's a fair deal, then it will always help your sales. It will always mean that you are trying to keep your profits high, you are keeping your margins high, and so on and so forth. This is a mistake, by the way, a lot of people make, and that is that they will make it out as if they need the company. Often in sales, you will have to ask tough questions. If you're having to ask tough questions, you're asking those questions because it's going to benefit the customer or the client. And so, for example, if you are having to ask a client in recruitment what sort of salary they are willing to pay the candidate, and the client doesn't really want to answer that, you are well within your right to say, look, Mr. Client, I want to make sure I get the right candidate for you. I want to make sure that I get the right person to do the job for you. But for me to do that, I need some information on exactly what you need. I can't do that if you don't give me the information. So what exactly are you looking to pay the candidate? You are well within your right to ask that question because you're trying to do a good job for them. And the same applies to when it comes to marketing, a social media marketing company. The same applies if you're looking to sell a service or a business, something into a business. You're trying to understand what is going wrong and how can we provide you the most value possible. You want to reiterate that. But remember, it's a fair deal, and it's not about you are now. You never want to come across as if you need them. You're on the lower hand and they're on the upper hand. That is not how sales works, not if you're trying to get a good deal. And to be fair, it's not just about the fact that it's you won't get a good deal, but people respect those that know exactly what they're talking about and are trying to provide value. If a company or if a customer feels like they can easily, get one over you, unfortunately, they probably won't respect you, and they probably will find it very difficult to do a business deal with you.